Alright guys, today we're going to be back with another Lego build. We're going to build a police boat. So let's start. First we're going to take this red brick. I mean, it doesn't have to be red, I just chose red. And I know this is really dirty, but I can't clean it up. So put it in the comments, how do you clean this? Okay. And then I'll put another one on the side here. And then put that down. You'll need to take this and place it right down at the edge right there. Take another one and place it right down at the edge right here. Now you're going to take this piece. You can put it right here and take another one, but it doesn't have this thing right here. You see, it has this thing right. But I need it. Put it right over here. You see that? Put that down. You'll need two of these. Two of them. These two. Place it right down here. Okay. Man, that was a loud click. Okay, now put this one here too. Let's place it right down. Alright, so we're almost done. So now take this white piece. Now take two of these and place it right here. You don't really need to place it here. This is just my opinion. Place it like that. Then, alright, so then you'll need to take this. Actually, you don't really need it, never mind. You'll need to take two of these sirens, because of course it's a police. Then place it right here. Two of them. Alright. Put it down. And take your windshield. Take this windshield and place it right here. Okay, just like that. Now, take this piece, just place it right here. Take the steering wheel, place it right here. Just like that. I placed it sideways, but let's put this right here. Let's put this right here. And let's put this right here. And put this right here. And put the other one right here. So that's how you make this boat. Yeah, this boat actually will float, so you can play with it in the bathtub if you want. It will float. So that's gonna be the end of this video. It was kind of short, but next up is coming up with a dry boat like this. So then we'll watch it. So see you guys next time. Bye.